Hello everyone. I'm starting a new series on Microsoft Copilot Studio. And in this series, I'll not only explain the concepts, but will also build one proper project with you. So as we learn about each topic, we will add that feature into the same project itself. And this way, it will not feel like a separate random lab. However, it will feel like we are building a real solution step by step. So let's understand what the Copilot Studio is. You may already know about Microsoft 365 Copilot, which you can use it in Microsoft 365 apps, and you can also create the agent using the agent builder. Now, that is very useful when you want a quick agent for yourself or the small team. But when you want more control, more customization, workflows, or the lifecycle management, then the Copilot Studios become important. So in simple words, Microsoft 365 Copilot helps the user work with the AI inside the Microsoft 365 applications. And the Copilot Studio helps in building more advanced agent for the business use case. For example, we can build an HR assistant or an IT help desk assistant or an employee service assistant. Now these agents can use company knowledge, collect the information from the user and perform different actions. Now, you might be wondering why the organizations are spending so much in these agents. And the reason is very simple. Every organization has the information spread across the different system, and the employees spend a lot of time searching for the documents, finding the right process, or contacting the right team. Now, an agent can help bring all that information together and provide the answers in the natural conversation. Even it can take actions on your behalf of the user, which makes the experience even better. Now, another question is, how do we get access to the Copilot Studio and what are the licensing options? So Microsoft provides the different ways to use the Copilot Studio. Okay, let's first open the Copilot Studio pricing. And here you click on the see plans and pricing. So if you go on the Copilot Studio plans, the first one is the Microsoft 365 Copilot. So if your organization already has the Microsoft 365 licensing available for the users, they can already use Copilot Studio. Now there are two more options. First one is pay as you go option. Here you have to link your Azure subscription, and how much ever you will use, that will be added to your Azure bill. So this is pay as you go, and this is more flexible way when the usage is not much. However, if you already know your usage, so in that case, you can pre-purchase the plan where you can get the Copilot credits on the different discounts. So you can save up to 20% of the upfront purchase of the Copilot credits. Now, this is for the organization where they already know how much the usage is, how many agents they are going to create. So it will be beneficial for them. But if you want to test the Copilot Studio and want to follow the lab in this series, then best option here is use the free plan. Now to search for the free plan like Copilot Studio Business Free. So there, get access to the Copilot Studio. Click on the free trial. And you have to provide the email address. However, you have to provide only the work and school. So if I'll just provide my email address, so it's saying that I can't provide the personal email address. I have to provide the work or the school account. Now, if you already have a domain register or you have a work account with you, that's well and good. If you don't have it, I have that option too for you. So go to M365 free plan, M365 business free plan. So you go to M365 for business and try for free. So when you click on try for free, 1 month, and however you won't be paying anything right now, but you will be paying after 1 month. So if you will cancel it before 2nd of July, or so if you cancel it before the trial end, you won't be charged anything. But you have to provide your credit card details here. When you click here, you have to provide your email address. Then you have to purchase this. If you'll do it today, you won't be charged anything, but you have to cancel it right on time before the plan renews for another month. So once you sign this up, you will get an email ID. Then you will have the enter admin. Let me show you. So this is which I have created. So you can use the own Microsoft.com. You don't have to buy a domain or anything. So M365 admin center. So once you will log in first time, you will get this portal, admin.microsoft.com. And there, if you'll go to the billing, your products, and you will see this. So I have trial license for business standards. Same, if you'll follow along, you will get this license, and it's a trial. And then I signed up for Copilot Studio with that email address, and I got the Copilot Studio trial too. And that means now I have access to Copilot Studio. So if I'll write copilotstudio.microsoft.com, so this is the Copilot dashboard where you can create the agents, flows, different tools are available, and then you have different integration with Power Platform and Azure AI integration. So I'm going to cover all of this in this series. So I'm using the YouTube environment. Now, what is this environment and how we create it? So this is kind of a container which we are creating where we'll keep all the agents, workflows, and everything. How can you create an environment? And the easy way is you go to the settings and click on the Power Platform Admin Center. Now you are in Power Platform Admin Center. Click on the Manage, and in the Manage you can see the environments. Now you can create the environment, and you can choose the trial, developer, production. It doesn't matter. It's just what you're choosing in Australia, and let's name it as demo. And next. So yeah, it's an Australian dollar. It doesn't matter. And we are not deploying any sample apps or data. So let's save. So now the environment is created. And if you'll go to the Copilot Studio back, refresh the page. And in the drop down, there is a demo environment. Now, when you click on the demo environment, it's absolute new. If you'll go to the agents, you won't see anything. It's just the default Microsoft 365 Copilot, different flows, tools, everything is blank because we haven't created anything. And last thing, if you'll click here, you will see all the different Microsoft 365 application which you can open directly from here, like the Admin Center, which I have shown you already, and the Power Platform Admin Center. Everything you can see from here directly. So this was the look and feel of Copilot Studio, and this is how you can set it up. And that's all for this video. See you in the next video.